Hi guys, it's me with Storms again, and I'm in a low voice, and I'm not in my living room right now. I'm with my mom already, and I'm gonna show you a bit review of Gacha Life in Gacha Club, which is my last video, sadly. And so let's make the most of it. So first we'll go to Gacha Live. This is my first app. And don't mind Oscar, he's just sad. I don't know why. I haven't used Gacha Live for a while. I still remember how to use it. This is my base on how to use a girl, and this is the head. When you can customize, and this is the boy side. That one's the girl side. And the back hair is mostly for the girls, but the top one is for the boys. Yeah, I really like to do random stuff. Yeah. And the front hair is this. There's both boys and girls in this one, which is kind of cool. And these are the colors. This is the same thing with all the clothes and colors. Yeah, blah blah blah. I don't know why. So this is the eyes. I like to use the normal eyes that look unique to me, because why not? I like to make characters that really look like their gender. This is the pupils. And if I'm talking about pupils, I mean, you know, the black stuff on your eyes? Yeah. Okay. These are the eyebrows. These, we all know that we use eyebrows for emotions and stuff. These are the mouths. They could be closed or open. I really like to use some of the mouths, and these are the accessories. Just checking out. And these are the glasses. Plus, most of my characters need glasses. And if you don't know what glasses I use for my one, I use this one. That's me. In an awkward way. Okay. Now the poses. This is the gender and stuff. And then this is the blush. You can adjust the blush. You can adjust the height too. And this is the pose. There's a lot of pose, I can tell. I'm using the Ruth Gacha Club Live, and if you don't have any Ruth Gacha Lives, then you're not gonna get the good quality animation. So this is the animated stuff. And they're doing like that when they breathe. Yeah. This one's really cute. I know, really cool, right? Oh, this is the cool part. When you do this, and when you tap on the other one, it animates to this one. That's a cool part. And walking and running, dancing, random stuff. It's really cool, right? That's the piano. I really like this one. Singing, the stuff. And DJ. Leaning. Random stuff. Wait, that's not animated. Are they clumsy to do this? Yeah. And this is how I create my characters. Oh, and I forgot to show you the presents. I'm not gonna show you all of them because I feel like tired and I don't want to waste this thing. So yeah, this is how I create my characters. This is the girl version. So yeah, I'm gonna make a random person. I'm not gonna name it. And I didn't even use this for a while. Honestly, I love Gacha better. Yeah. Okay. I'm just gonna make it in my own style. Because I'm lazy and stuff. Yeah. I gotta make her look like she's at school, okay? I'm super sorry. Yeah, this is how I'm making in my own style. There. So we're done with this. I'm not gonna reveal all my characters, okay? Now let's go to Gacha Club. This is the app I mostly use. And yeah, I prepared this. This is the best app. And Looney, if you're listening, I really love this app. Thank you so much for making it. And it has a lot of stuff. Look at these reviews. I mean, you have extra poses. And I really like it. Look at these hands. It's the same way with the right hand. And the head rotation, it's really cool. And this one, and the flipping, I really love it. And the head size, oh my gosh, I don't know how to use this. And the head scale, I don't know what to do. But I'm gonna learn how to use them later. Look at these. And the height, the same thing. But you can change your character icon. It's really cool, right? I like to use this one. And the eyes, they're the same, but they have a new few stuff over here, which I think everyone will like. This is the best app! Also, sadly, you don't have any automatic angry eyebrows. You just have to adjust them. Look at these hairy eyebrows. I don't use them a lot. And new colors. Look at these. It's the best. And there's something new. Well, you don't get to get into the blush. That's a sad part. But the mouth. Oh, it has sick good things over here. And the highlights. This is super sick. And the chin. Oh my gosh, the chin. I don't use that a lot because I'm a normal gacha like friend. Wow. And these are the clothes. I really love them. Well, I'm not gonna show you all of them because I don't want to make this long again, right? The rest of them is up to you to review. So if you want a full review, you can just go to YouTube channels and go to Gacha Club full review. Yeah, blah, blah, I don't know. I'm just gonna show you. Oh, I forgot to show the adjustments. It's super sick. Look at these. Just go with the faces actually. This is how you adjust. This is go to scale and this. And you can position it anywhere you like. This is the same thing with the eyes. And I usually use the adjustments for the eye blinking. So, yeah. I don't know what to do with these. Maybe when it's not what you like, you think you can adjust it to what you like. Yeah, okay, never mind. And the fun part is, you get to color the mouth. Look. Okay, I'm gonna show you how I customize my character right now. But, yeah, okay. I'm just gonna do her my style again, because I'm lazy. Sorry for being silent, just what I do. To make characters your style, you just leave them the color, but you can change it to your liking. I forgot to review the hair. I'm super sorry. I'm really sorry. Just I cannot do this all. And this is when the adjustment comes in. I really love adjustments. And it's up to you if you want to change the color of the mouth or okay. And oh, I really like this part. I really like to use stuff as hair ties. I'm fine. Look at this. She looks like a pirate already. and I just there to your liking and stuff. Look at me. Oh. Oh, I forgot to show the eye presents too. It's only 2 pages. And there, this default girl, not girl, my style. Yep. There. I know that not all people use default girl, but I think I'm the only one who uses default girl as a girl base. And there you go. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. And okay, yeah. And I hope you guys enjoy, and I hope this helps. So bye, and stay safe.